Hey guys, it's me.
And what you just heard was a cracked control arm. Apparently the weld didn't held, so I'm going to practice that today. And I mean practice because I'm not a big welder, but we're going to see how this goes. So we'll see how this goes. And as you can see, I don't have all the proper tools out. I moved and I haven't really unpacked everything because I don't have a shed right now. So things are mostly in boxes at the moment, but that's not the point. The point is we're trying to fix this. And then I'm going to show you a couple of pictures of how it looked. It doesn't look like, I'm not a great welder, but I know when the weld shed penetrated the metal, and it didn't look like it. So here we go. This is the one part of it, and this right here is where all the bead is at. None of that penetrated on the other side. So here we go. And I gotta say, I haven't really welded on a round surface, more like a flat surface, so this is something new to me. And then here, I forget to check for the ground. And then here I am, grabbing that little brush and polishing it. I don't know where the little weld hammer is at. Like I said, I'm not going through 1,000 boxes just to find it. I'll get to it eventually. And now this is the part where you can say, you suck. Right, so now all what's left is just tying a couple of bolts and just aligning it. But I'm going to align another time because I got other things to do. I'll come back and do it some other time. Not at the moment. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys liked it. It's a short video. Like it, subscribe, I guess, if you're not subscribed. If you want to see my beautiful face someday. It's not beautiful, but it's just a face with eyes, a nose, and a mouth. So yeah, have a good day, guys.